All right, guys, welcome back. So yeah, this is what's going on. So I got the trading bot running. It's doing its thing. It's buying and selling. I don't know. Oof. Think it's not looking so good. Eesh. Eee. It's losing more than it's winning. Oh man. I don't know. Either way, I'm learning with this thing, so it's all one of them things you gotta go through. But yeah. So I'm funding it with helium, and then I sell it, and then I fund the robot. So you see, they be telling me like, oh, you got 9 minutes to fund the portfolio to dollar cost average. And then when that happens, I go transfer HNTs, boom, sell them, and leave it there. And now they're ready. They're ready to go. See, sold them for the USDT, and then once it's ready, dollar cost average is ready to do its thing. Yeah, so I'm using Kucoin to I guess day trade with a robot. You know, I'm learning as I'm growing. Rossi grow.